Here's a demo of a software that we recently made for families. A lot of families want to have their family a lot more organized, and that was kind of the problem that we are solving with this software. And basically having their goals, their projects, their finances, and anything else organized in their family, so they can just keep it nice and simple. I'll walk you through the entire software. Number one is that we made this completely in English and in Spanish, and in several of the pages. You'll see where, like, for example, in goals, um, it automatically translates the language, uses AI, and if they change something on here and write it in Spanish, it'll automatically change it to English, and then vice versa as well. So first page is we have mission, laws, values, and freedoms by age, kind of overall for the family. Number two is we have the goals page where you can see the different goals for different members of the family. They can move them around. They can edit them, they can add new ones, they can categorize it and put it in different categories, okay? Then we have the schedule page where nice routine for every week. Hey, here's what we do. If you need to edit it, you just click on this and then you change the activity and automatically change it on here. You can change the color. You can change what the rotation is. For example, let's say your family plays soccer every Monday, and you want to have a rotation of, hey, uh, we want to have our kids decide what area or what park we go to every week. Then it would just rotate through those kids, and every week it would switch to a new kid, or like picking a movie or something like that. Which is nice. We connected it directly to the Google Calendar as well, so everything is in one spot. You don't have to go to Google Calendar to do this or that. And then next is the projects page, similar to the goals, kind of same idea. You can move them around, you can check them off, you can add new ones down here, and basically keeping track of your different projects. You can have your different dates on here, um, and which is nice. Then going into the finances, which is a big part of families, right? We have kind of the goals for the financials, which is completely editable. What the different goals for the finances are, goals expanded down here. Then we have financials. Now, the way that we did this was we connected directly to QuickBooks for this system, and so all of the different balance sheets are connected. And honestly, I think it looks a lot better than QuickBooks version. To be honest, you got cash on hand, you got full balance sheet, you got profit and loss. Um, and then what's a really nice feature is we added this budget feature, which is completely in this software, and it connects again directly to QuickBooks. And so you can track all the different categories of your different budgets. You can change what your different budgets are, and then you can see, you can go back into previous months and so on. Okay. Then we have kids, the money that they earn, how much money they want to give away, how much money they want to spend, how much money they want to save, all that stuff. Kind of same type of idea as well. You can see all the different transactions. Each kid can see their own transactions, so it's like a little mini financial for them. Um, this we also included a business part of it as well. So if you have like a side business, Turo, for example, then that automatically hooks up into this. You can have earning, incomes, expenses, and then see the transactions as well. And this directly connects to QuickBooks as well. And then lastly, we have the books, movies, and the quotes part of it. So you can have all your family movies. You can mark them off as when you watched it or when you read it. If you need to change the name, all that stuff, you want to add new ones, you can have different categories. So yeah, that's a brief overview of this software for the family constitution.